Hello, I'm Zoe. In this episode of Drive Go Go, I'll present the new Audi Q8. Audi enters into the large SUV coupe market with the Q8. The exterior takes the new Audi design. Strong contours with luxury elegance. Q8 is introducing the new face of the brand SUVs. The grille is now single-frame, with 6 vertical chromed bars. The wide grille contour color can be customized to give an aggressive look to the front. Audi made the air intakes large and connected them visually by the spoiler. The frameless doors, long roof spoiler, flat sloping and strong D-pillars are giving the coupe-like design to the car. The sportiness comes from the Quattro blisters, which are reminiscent of the Audi Quattro. The rear is integrating the high-end model light strip between the lights. The interior was made to be simple in the look and functionalities. The upper MMI touch display is the origin of the horizontal base design. The contour light of the dashboard and center console are highlighting the calm but robust lines of the interior. The Q8 body is made of aluminium, assuring stiffness and reduced weight of the structure. Available with a 3-litre hybrid diesel engine of 286 horsepower and 600 Newton-meters of torque. The 0 to 100 km per hour is done in 6.3 seconds, and the top speed is at 245 km per hour. The power is passed through the Quattro system with a 40-60 ratio. Those are the main characteristics. Visit our website to learn more. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe to not miss the next one. Thank you for watching. See you soon on Drive Go Go.